Doing an experiment with DMR. I'm near Yarmouth, near Great Yarmouth area, and point the camera out that way, Harry. We're just standing up on the cliff tops. And I'm doing an experiment. I've programmed my radio, you know, while I'm here on the fly. I've programmed in a DMR repeater in where is it? It's near Amsterdam, in that sort of area. It's PI1UTR, I think. I'll put it in the description. PI1UTR, something like that. And I've programmed it in the radio, and I'm actually opening the repeater. I'm going to point it at the screen there, cameraman. So, point it at the screen. I've actually programmed it in the radio. And if I key up, I'm opening the repeater. What I did was I went in and edited a Leicester repeater. So this is using no internet. This is using no internet. I point it there at the radio. This is using no internet. This is using radio, and it's about 200 or 300 miles. Opening a DMR repeater in Amsterdam. So just doing some experiments. So I'm just on the radio. I'm on the rubber duck. It's just 4 watts. And you can point it at the radio, not me, if you want. You don't want to see me. So I'm just going to put a call out. PI1UTR. That's the repeater. PI1UTR. Right, I've got a contact waiting for me. 2E0UKH. 2E0UKH. Listening for any calls on PI1UTR repeater.
Yeah, very good evening, Chris. This is Papa Delta 9 Bravo Golf. Very good evening. Your signal is not very strong into the repeater. I can hear some words, but yeah, I think
let's try and walk and get it clearer. Follow me around.
Unfortunately, but maybe on the next over it would be better. 2 Echo 0 Uniform Kilo Hotel from Papa Delta 9 Bravo Golf.
Papa Delta 9 Bravo Golf. Right, well I've just moved, and when I keyed up it beeped quicker, you know, giving that tone that I'm into the repeater better. So is that any better? I've just moved 6 feet. Obviously not. Go back that way. Right.
No, unfortunately, it's not better. Some words, but I think the propagation is not good enough on this moment. I go to the internet page here to visit the VHF and UHF propagation map, and I don't see any propagation between the Netherlands and the UK,
well, he's sounding
so
good.
It's not bad at all that you can hear this repeater on this moment. Maybe you can try PI1 Romeo Tango Delta. That one is located in The Hague, if I remember. But I don't know how strong the repeater is. So maybe you can try it again on that repeater, but I think this is the only one you can reach on this moment. 2E0 UKH from PD.